Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 11 Algebra Exercise 11.4 question number 1. So friends, without wasting any time, let us begin. This question is, answer the following. First part is, take Sarita's present age to be Y years. Okay, so Sarita's present age is Y years. Then it is asking us what will be her age 5 years from now. So what will you write here? Yes. So we will add 5 years in the Y years. So Y plus 5 years will be her age from 5 years from now. Okay. What was her age 3 years back? So for this what we can do is we can subtract 3 years from her age, right? That will be it. So Y minus 3 years will be her age 3 years back. Okay, then we have Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? Now 6 times her age. 6, we all know, times means multiply. So 6 is going to be multiplied by something, and it is saying, you can see 6 times her age is what? Y years, right? So 6 times Y, that is 6y, right? So her grandfather's age will be 6y. So this is 6 into y or simply 6y. Then grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is grandmother's age? So if you see, so grandfather's age is 6y and she is 2 years younger, so that means she is basically 2 years smaller than grandfather, right? So you will subtract 2 from this years. Okay, so 6y, and this is the fourth part. Okay, so 6y minus 2 years is her grandmother's age. Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? Now first we have to solve here this 3 times Sarita's age. What will it be? 3 into Sarita's age, that is y. So 3 into y is 3y, right? So first you will do 3y, and then it is saying 5 years more. So more means addition, so plus, okay, plus 5 and years, of course. So her father's age is 3y plus 5 years. Let's move on to the next part. That is, the length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if the breadth is b meters, right? Now you are having your breadth, right? So breadth of your hall is of b meters, right? So you can write here it is b meters. Okay, now we have to see that if it is saying that the length of your rectangular box is 3 times more than 4 less than 3 times more or than your breadth. So 3 times more we will write here first. So 3 times more, right? So that will be 3b, right? So 3 into b, that is 3b and 3b meters, right? Now you have to do one thing here, that is the hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. 3 times the breadth is 3b meters. So 4 less than that will be, first you can write here that length. Okay, now we will find out the length. So length is equal to 3b, which is the breadth, or the 3 times more breadth, and 4 subtracted from that, right? So 3b minus 4 meters will be the breadth, the length of my rectangular hall. Okay, let us move on to the next part. Next part is, a rectangular box has height h centimeters. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and breadth of the box in terms of the height. Now you are having a rectangular box, okay, and it is having a height of h centimeters. So first we will write down the thing which we know, or basically we are estimating, that is h centimeter and h is the variable, so h centimeter is the height. Clear? Now it is saying that if you have to find the length of the box, right? So suppose this is the height, so you have to find the length like this, so that will be 5 times more than the height. 5 times more than the height. That what is the height? Height is h centimeter. 5 times more means multiply that by 5. So what will you multiply by 5? We will multiply this height by 5 because it is clearly written 5 times the height, right? So we will multiply. So let us do. So first you can write here length, and length is equal to 5h centimeters. Okay, 5 into h is 5h, right? That is same. And now you have to see for breadth. Now what has it given for breadth is that you can see breadth is 10 centimeters less than the length, right? So length is what? 5h centimeter and 10 centimeter less than this. For that we will subtract, so breadth will be 5h minus 10 centimeters, right? This will be the breadth of your rectangular box. Let's move on to the next part. Next part is Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S, Beena is 8 steps ahead and Leena 7 steps behind. Where are Beena and Meena? The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Express the total number of steps using S. Now here Meena and she is at S, so S. Then you can see that Beena is 8 steps ahead, so you can write here that Beena is 8 steps ahead of Meena. Okay, so what is the distance? Where is she at? S plus 8, right? So S plus 8. Then we have Leena, so Leena is 7 steps behind, so S minus 7, right? So like this we have found out where all the 3 are. Then it is saying total number of steps to the hilltop. Now suppose this is the hill, right? So this total number of steps, it is 10. Okay, 10 less than 4 times, right? So 4 times of what Meena has reached. So you have to make you have to first multiply what Meena has reached by 4 and then subtract 10 from it. So you will do here total, it is asking us the total distance, right? So total distance, okay, and that will be first you have to multiply, so 4s this will become, right, 4 times what Meena has reached, that is 4s, and also 10 less than that, so 4s minus 10. So this is the distance of the total number of steps basically, right? So this is total number of steps. Let us move on to the next part. Let's move on to solve the E part. This part is a bus travels at v kilometers per hour. It is going from Daspur to Bijpur. After the bus has travelled 5 hours, Bijpur is still 20 kilometers away. What is the distance from Daspur to Bijpur? Express it using V. Now there is a bus. It is travelling at v kilometers per hour, right? So in 1 hour it travels how many kilometers? V kilometers, okay. So now it is saying that when it has travelled straight for 5 hours, right, then the destination, that is Bijpur, is 20 kilometers away, right? So now it is saying us to express the distance from Daspur to Bijpur and using V, right? So if in 1 hour it travels v kilometer and it has travelled straight for 5 hours, can we know the distance for 5 hours? Yes. So what will be the distance for 5 hours? V into 5, that is basically 5 v kilometers, right? So the distance from it travelled in 5 hours by the bus is 5 v kilometers, right? Then you can also see that this is 5 hours distance which is completed, but we also have to add the left over distance in this, which is this 20 kilometers, right? So you can write here that distance is equal to, so first of all we will write the covered distance, which is 5v, right? So 5v plus, now the left over distance, that is 20 kilometers, right? So 5v plus 20 kilometers, right? So this is the distance from Daspur to Bispur when we have used v to express it. Okay, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.